Man, I freaking love the cryptocurrency market. Only in crypto can a freaking meme be worth billions of dollars. Yes, altcoins are pumping hard today, and our old buddy Dogecoin is leading the way. But will the altcoin pump continue? Well, in this video, I will share 3 reasons why you should be bullish on altcoins right now. My name is Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to stay up to date and catch all of my videos. So, altcoins. Altcoins are going just crazy, man. I absolutely love it. It's one of those everything is pumping kind of days, but why? Why, oh why are the altcoins pumping? And which altcoins should you be watching as the pump continues? Well, in this video, I want to share just that exact information with 3 reasons why the altcoin market is pumping. But before we do get into those 3 reasons, a quick word from today's sponsor, Nash. Now, Nash is a decentralized exchange which uses layer 2 technology in order to allow you to be able to trade Bitcoin as well as other top cryptocurrencies quickly and cheaply, all while maintaining control of your private keys so you're always in charge of your funds. Now, Nash has actually just started season 2 of their trading league, which will run until February 26th. Now, to be in to win prizes in their trading league, all you need to do is go over to Nash and trade. The more volume you generate with your trades, the bigger your share of the prize pool is going to be. There'll be $10,000 in prizes unlocked for every $10 million worth of trading volume that happens on the exchange. Now, you can compete in the trading league solo, or you can actually do it in a team. There are prizes for both. And as a special bonus for new users, the top 100 new traders each week will share in a pool of 1,000 Next tokens, which are the exchange tokens that actually give you up to 75% revenue share of fees collected on the exchange if you stake them on the exchange. So click on the link down below, try out trading on Nash today, and get involved in the trading league. Okay, so altcoins, man. What is going on? Why are the altcoins booming right now? Well, the first reason has to do with, of course, the GameStop drama. Now, you might be thinking, how the heck does a stock pumping help pump up crypto? Well, the reaction to the GameStop pump has been that phone calls from, crybaby fund managers were actually made to some of the major brokers like TD Ameritrade, Schwab, and Robinhood, all of who then acquiesced and shut down trading for some of the most popular stocks trading on the market right now, including GameStop, but also others like AMC, for example. Now, this move is very transparent, and it's absolutely enraged investors. They're now moving on to pump other assets listed on Robinhood, including Dogecoin, which hit a new all-time high today after pumping like 500% in like a few hours. Is absolutely insane. Now, this is important because Dogecoin, it is the secret to altcoin season, because Dogecoin by many is seen as something of an altcoin cycle oscillator. So when Dogecoin pumps, other coins, other altcoins, tend to follow, tend to pump like crazy as well in the days after a major Dogecoin pump. Now, I don't make the rules here, guys. This is just what happens sometimes in crypto. But seriously, the irrational pump of Dogecoin shows that there is plenty of money sitting on the sidelines ready to just come in mega hard to altcoins. They pumped billions into Dogecoin today. Think about that. Now, look, I love the Dogecoin, but you got to keep it real. It's just a meme coin. That's all it is. It's a meme coin worth now billions of dollars. I do want to say, though, don't run out and buy Dogecoin. Don't believe the people who are saying Dogecoin's going to go to $1. That's crazy stuff. This thing's probably going to sink like a rock once the hype dies down in a day or two. Even if it pumps a bit more, this is a high risk time to be trying to play that game. Although if you want to chase the Robinhood pump thesis, well, Litecoin is also listed over on Robinhood, so that could be something to watch out for, as it hasn't really pumped yet. Certainly not in the way that Dogecoin is pumped. Now, the second reason that we should be super bullish on altcoins right now is that it has been confirmed that Grayscale has filed 5 new trusts today. And it is all of our favorite altcoins. So Polkadot, Cardano, Cosmos, Aave, and Monero. Now, Grayscale does already list a lot of random altcoins that don't really get any interest from investors. We have things like Horizon, Zcash, Stellar Lumens. All of these Grayscale trusts are below $25 million in total assets. So the Grayscale effect for the coming altcoins is uncertain, right? But all of the altcoins on Grayscale right now, you have to keep in mind, they're old, low hype coins, especially stuff like Horizon, right? Or Ethereum. I mean, seriously, Ethereum Classic, it's still, why is it on there? It has almost no users, almost no applications, and it's been hacked like, 6 times or something in the last year? Like, I don't know how anybody's still using Ethereum Classic, let alone it's still listed on Grayscale. But anyway, the new listings, they're mostly very high hype coins. Polkadot, for example, it has been just incredible these last few months. It's a mega hot, mega trending coin. I don't expect institutions are going to just completely ignore it because they don't completely ignore altcoins. The Grayscale Ethereum Trust has nearly $4 billion in assets under management, so it definitively proves institutions are not afraid of altcoins. They just don't want to invest in garbage like Ethereum Classic. I also love the addition of Aave to the trust. DeFi, it's literally the hottest trend in crypto right now, so the addition of Aave really makes complete sense to me. It's very bullish to see them adding that on. Grayscale has not given a timeline on the launch of these trusts, but the paperwork has been filed, and the longer they wait to actually give their customers access to this, the more they're missing out. So obviously it's in their benefit to get this out sooner than later, and I'm sure we'll see them coming, probably in the next few weeks. Maybe it'll take a couple months, but sooner than later again. And the final reason that we are getting ready for a mega altcoin pump is thanks to our old friend Bitcoin. The honey badger has, it's been moving up and down. It's had a good day today, but for all intents and purposes, it's kind of just been asleep over the last few weeks. It is still technically in a downtrend, so this kind of slowdown and momentum for Bitcoin, it's giving altcoins the room that they need to breathe. We've seen Bitcoin dominance go down a lot in the past couple of days, and yeah, Bitcoin is the king of the markets, so when Bitcoin does decide to rage, it will probably suppress altcoins to some extent again. But any time that we see Bitcoin slowing down for any extended period of time is a time when altcoins can kind of come out to play again, right? And they do pump hard when that happens. The market moves in cycles. We're in that kind of cycle right now where Bitcoin's being a bit quieter. Altcoins are moving significantly as a result. So you have to just realize sometimes Bitcoin leads, sometimes altcoin leads. This is the dance of the crypto market. So until we see Bitcoin make a really definitive breakout of its downtrend, testing those new all-time highs, and looking like we're going to have that big move, then I expect that altcoins are going to continue to make big returns. That might only last a couple of weeks, right, until Bitcoin takes off again, but enjoy it while it does. So, we can thank Bitcoin for being just a little bit boring right now. Now, my altcoin portfolio certainly loves when that's happening, so thanks, Bitcoin. Appreciate it. And do remember that while we have these big green days for altcoins, you are allowed to book in some profits. You don't have to sell all your altcoins, but don't get married to your bags, right? Feel free to take a little bit off the table, take your capital back out, pay yourself a little bit, right? Don't be afraid to do that. Anyway, your question for today, what altcoin do you own that you think is going to be a millionaire maker? Let us all know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.